Welcome back, guys. This is Sonia Gray with the Daily Life Insurance Group. And today I have a story time for you. This story time is about mortgage protection, okay? Let's just go ahead and get into it. So I have these clients, I'll call them Barry and Karen. And Barry and Karen came to me because they wanted to put something in place to make sure that the other one, when they pass, would not be burdened with the mortgage or the debt or what to do with the home. Ultimately, we don't want that home to go back to the bank. We want to make sure that it is there for our loved ones. And so we had a very in-depth conversation through our needs analysis to determine what we needed to put in place. Now, what was interesting about this conversation is that the two of them realized that they both did not want the same thing. Now, this was not new to me because I see it all the time, but it's always interesting to watch the two in a marriage or a couple situation, or even any kind of partnership situation where they find out that they don't want to do the same thing. So it's so important to have these conversations. And so Karen, for one, she said, I'm not going to stay here when he passes. I'm going. There are too many memories. I don't want to be here, so I'm not going to stay. So, what can we do? And Barry, on the other hand, he said, well, this is my home. I'm going to stay here. What can we do for me? So through that very in-depth analysis that I mentioned, we were able to determine, what their needs were, what their budget was, what company would be right for them, which product, how much, all of those things, so that we could make sure that we were actually meeting their needs. And so what we ended up doing was a smaller policy in place so that when Barry dies, Karen has money to pay off the mortgage, pay the mortgage for a few years, okay? Because she's not going to keep the house, all right? But she's grieving. This is a very critical time in her life. She's grieving, and the last thing she wants to have to do is worry about the mortgage. So those funds are available for her. She has time also to get out of the house what she deserves. She doesn't have to rush and basically give the house away. And this house is not going back to the bank. They're going to have this house in their family, and they're going to have this opportunity to do what they want to do, and they're going to be able to make the decisions, okay? Now, Barry, on the other hand, we put a larger policy in place so that he would be able to pay the mortgage off when Karen dies, all right? And so this met his goal. So, I'll tell you guys, if you have not had these conversations, this is definitely your sign to have those conversations with your loved ones about what you would do. And if you have any questions, or if this video was helpful to you in any way, please let me know. I have found through my years of being in the financial industry that knowledge is power. And that is why this YouTube channel is so important to me. And so if I can help you in any way, please let me know. But give me a thumbs up, give me a like, give me a feedback, whatever. I'm happy for all of it because I am here to hopefully make a difference. Take care. Bye.